Hi guys. I just wanted to say before the video starts, um, I had a screen recording of me like making my wallpaper and stuff, but I deleted it and I don't know how to get it back. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a separate video of me like showing you guys how I customize my MacBook, and this is just it's pretty much just gonna be the setup process. So yeah, I just wanted to say that before the video started.
Hi guys. No, it's fine. I don't even care.
I do.
Hi guys, what's up? It's me.
These keyboards.
If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Melanie, and in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my MacBook, even though it's already open. I couldn't wait. I got excited. So now I'm setting it up. It's a 2015 and it has the Apple logo on it still because isn't that so cute? She looks so cute. We love her. The keyboard is like different, but I don't even care. Mom has a problem with it, but we don't mind it. It's a 13-inch. This thing is bigger than I expected. United States, continue. I'm so excited. Look how we're gonna close it really quickly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at her. She's beautiful. We don't have a case for her yet, so I'm gonna be super duper careful because I'm not breaking this thing. Christmas present because it's January 3rd today. I have school tomorrow. I'm just glad I got here before school. What's our Wi-Fi? Just the three of us? Okay. I have to learn the keys. This is my old computer. Why did it turn off? What'd I do? Ah, magical. I haven't heard that sound in forever since my iMac. I turned it off by accident, I guess. But this is my old Chromebook for school. She's whatever. We don't care about her. She can
You gotta use that for school, don't you?
case for it. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I love the light up keyboard. And they have stickers to put on it.
Why is the keyboard the wrong
You probably ordered one from a different country, like China or something. It's 13 inches, much bigger than I expected it to be.
So you're happy to shut the fuck up now.
Wait, is that right? No, I think it's that. It's 13 inches, much bigger than I expected it to be.
So you're happy to shut the fuck up now.
Wait, is that right? No, I think it's that. The only thing I want now is a case for it. Okay. I'll tell him in a second. Did I do it?
He'll buy it before me.
That's very true. From Mac Time Machine stuff. Okay. No. Okay. Let me figure out the Wi-Fi. Which one's it? Which one Chromebook at? I did this. Gotta look at the keyboard on the Chromebook. So M.
What are you trying to do? Let me do it for you.
There you go. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Some of them are the same.
Mom, do I have to eat dinner?
Bring my iCloud.
Well, be careful with that iCloud. Do not lock yourself out your iCloud.
I know.
With those buttons. The iCloud is weird. Once you lock yourself out of it, you can't. It's hard to get back in.
Okay, I set up the MacBook and now I'm in my Apple Music. As you can see, my mom's looking at me like I'm crazy. It's okay. It's okay. She knows that I have a YouTube career. Now I'm gonna make a wallpaper. She's so cute. Anyways, okay, I want to make a wallpaper. So I'm gonna use Canva. No, she hung up on me. I'm gonna use Canva, and I'm gonna use Pinterest.
Okay, so there's no outro for this video. I was a little too excited, and then the rest of that video was just me staring and just looking at the computer for like 30 minutes straight trying to make a wallpaper, and that's when the screen recording would come in, but I lost the screen recording, so I'm just gonna make a separate video of me customizing my MacBook. So yeah, this is just me setting it up, I guess you can say. But yeah, so stay tuned for me customizing my MacBook. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. It's free. Turn on post notifications if you haven't already, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. So yeah, bye guys.